NCP Congress talks on Maharashtra government formation. Sharad Pawar to meet Prime Minister Modi today. Situation normal in Kashmir. Will restore internet service at appropriate time, says Amit Shah in Rajya Sabha. And bill for removal of Congress chief as Jallianwala Memorial trustee passed in Parliament. Hello and a warm afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria giving you the news in details. Ahead of a key meeting between the Congress and NCP on finalizing the contours of the proposed alliance with the Shiv Sena for government formation in Maharashtra, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi later today to discuss farmers' issues. According to the media reports, the NCP leader will lead a Maharashtra all-party delegation to meet the Prime Minister. The move assumes significance in the backdrop of the power tussle in Maharashtra, which saw the BJP break up with the Shiv Sena, its ally for 30 years. The Uddhav Thackeray-led party is at present working towards an understanding with the ideological opposed Congress and NCP to form the government in the state. The parties are trying to cobble together an alliance on the basis of common minimum program, which has farmers' interests at its core. Interestingly, the meeting also comes days after the Prime Minister Modi raised the NCP in the Rajya Sabha at the beginning of the winter sessions for strictly adhering to parliamentary norms. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will today table a report in the Rajya Sabha on the President's rule in Maharashtra. The state was placed under the President rule on November 12 on Governor Bhagat Singh Kosari recommendation after a breakup between allies BJP and Shiv Sena plunged Maharashtra into a political crisis. The report will also be tabled on a day when the Congress and NCP are said to meet to finalize the contours of their proposed alliance with Shiv Sena. Parliament passed a bill which seeks to remove the Congress president as a trustee of the Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial, according to media reports. The Rajya Sabha passed by voice vote the Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial Amendment Bill, which deletes the provision of the Congress chief being a permanent member of the trust, which runs the Jallianwala Bagh National Memorial yesterday. The Lok Sabha has already passed a bill on August 2, which also paves the way for the leader of the single largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha to be a member of the trust. Replying to the debate, Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel said this bill would end the political color which the trust earlier had. Taking a dig at the opposition, he said that they have no problem with other provisions of the bill, but only with the one in which the party president is being removed as trustee. CLP leader and former Chief Minister of Manipur Okrami Vovi, along with 14 party MLAs, submitted a memorandum to NCP Chief Sharad Pawar yesterday in New Delhi during a meeting. The Congress team apprised Sharad Pawar of the situation unfolding in Manipur because of Naga peace talks and Citizenship Amendment Bill, which is going to be reintroduced in the Parliament's winter session. Meanwhile, a sit-in protest planned by leaders of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC in Delhi's Jantar Mantar today has been postponed, sources said. The PCC delegation, now camping in the national capital, will stay back there to meet their other central leaders. A combined team of Jiribam police and anti-drug cell arrested 3 drug peddlers along with over 8 kilograms of opium worth more than ₹7 lakh in the evening of November 18 at Lengang Pokpi area of Jiribam district. As per police reports, the drug peddlers were arrested along with the contraband items from a Nissan Micra car with registration number DL9CAA0105 during a routine frisking and checking along the National Highway 37. The arrested were identified as Saitin Kup Kongsai, 25 age year of Kangpopi district, Deepak Sivakoti, age 34 years of Kanto Prem Nagar, Imphal West, and Vagirat Loitul S, 46 years of Kanglatombi, Imphal West. An FIR has been registered at the Jiribam police station in this regard. Unidentified miscreants tore down a water tanker of Bhartiya Infra Project Limited BIPL last night at the intersection between Kongnem and Kerong of Senapati district. According to reports, the water tanker has been lying at the incident site since the past 1 week. On receiving the news, a team of police and Senapati District Students Association STSA rushed to the spot to assess the situation. An investigation is underway in this regard. The Jalangrong United Front JUF has warned its rival faction, which has been merged with JPRN and CNU, to immediately stop collection of taxes and operation in Jalangrong areas. A praise statement from the JUF accused the group led by Raitu Chawang for lacking vision and confidence on the Jalangrong issues. The statement also informed the general public that there is only one JUF operating in Jalangrong areas. Now it's time for a short break, but coming up, protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill in Northeast continue.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount pijari. November gitang taradagi kun faub khaktamak pijaba discount ne. Pijariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, microneedling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asinachingmani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairam pung taruk phauba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin biro Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Check-on Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 Natraga 244 7385. Special discount to welcome the winter of 2019. 10% discount on labor charge. 5% discount on spare parts for Hyundai cars only. Benefits on purchase of 4 Michelin tires. Free alignment, free balancing, free nitrogen, free removing and refitting. 3 years warranty on all tires. For more details, please visit SM Motors, Airport Road, near Comprehensive Concept School, 795001. Contact number 9366 508 258.
Yang wat
Sokthaba lodi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Sokthaba du koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang gi salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back. Protests against Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAV) and Uniform Civil Code gets louder in the hills of Assam. According to media reports, the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference (APHLC) and social organizations held a sit-in protest at Samson Singh Engti Memorial Park of Diphu yesterday. Later, a memorandum was submitted to President of India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saiki regarding CAB and UCC. 2 male elephants aged 7 and 25 years lost their lives after coming in contact with live wires erected by some local inside the Keropara Reserve of Rongjuli Range in Golpara district of Assam. And another jumbo died at Dulaijan in Dibrugarh district. As per media reports, the state continues to make headlines with deaths of wild animals in different locations. The closure of supplies of petroleum products to 4 petrol pumps retail outlets in Meghalaya allegedly by the Assam Petroleum Master Union APMU has prompted petrol pump dealers to call on for a strike on November 25. Media reports inform that the strike under the Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya (PDAM) has decided to protest against the closure of supplies to 4 petrol pumps retail outlets in the Meghalaya by the APMU. Tripura Lane State Party TSP staged a demonstration and 12-hour hunger strike demanding a separate state. The demonstration was held at Baromura Hill Range. TSP leaders and workers from across the state joined the program. Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura IPFT, the alliance partner of BJP in Tripura, has also been raising the demand of separate state. Piramal Foundation announced the setting up of a tribal health collaborative for India in partnership with the Bill Melinda Gates Foundation. The collaborative will raise on 2 key pillars which will be working closely with the government, co-designing and co-implementing interventions for travel communities. According to media reports, this multi-stakeholder collaborative will focus on improving health and nutrition outcomes in high-burden and travel districts, including the aspirational districts, and aims to support the Government of India as its work towards achieving Sustainable Development Goal SDG 3 by 2030. To be mentioned, SDG 3 is focused on ensuring healthy lives and promoting well-being for all. Another short commercial break, but next, Sri Lankan Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe to resign today.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari. Ako pamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club, contact number 8837218002.
Yang ware.
Soktabadu loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare laima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact tobiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla laima kabok.
Welcome back. Sri Lankan Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe will tender his resignation from office today, paving the way for newly elected President Gotabaya Rajapaksa to appoint a new cabinet, according to media reports. A special cabinet meeting is slated to be held later this evening, after which the Sri Lankan Prime Minister will announce his resignation from the post, media reports inform. Electricity farms cut off power to thousands of people. More than 100 schools were closed and residents in high-risk regions were poised to evacuate today as Australia's devastating first fire opened up a new front. Australia has been battling wildfires across a number of fronts for several days, endangering thousands of people in many communities. According to reports, blazes so far this month have claimed at least 4 lives, burned about 2.5 million acres of farmland, and burst and destroyed more than 300 homes. A phrase battle line was drawn today as 50 fires sprung off in South Australia state, where officials lifted the fire danger warning to catastrophic as temperatures passes 42 degrees Celsius. A catastrophic warning means that should a fire start, it will not be possible to firefighters to control it, given the weather conditions. As some of the fires approach electricity transmission lines, provider SA Power Networks cut power to around 10,000 customers. With strong winds stalking blazes, authorities put residents near 4 of the fires on high alert to flee should they spread rapidly. Now it's time for the sports news. The 65 National School Games Boxing U17 began in Mizoram capital Aizawl yesterday. The 4-day event is being held at R. Dengtuama Multipurpose Hall at Manipuri in Aizawl. A total of 486 participants from 36 states and units all over the country, including 413 boxers and 73 officials, are participating in the event, which concludes on Friday. India made a promising start at the Korea Open with Sutler's Kidambi Srikanth and Samir Verma advancing to second round of the men's single competition in Korea today. The 6th-seed Srikanth defeated Hong Kong's Wong Wing Ki Vincent 21-18, 21-17 in a match that lasted 37 minutes. The former world number 1 Srikanth now enjoys a dominant 11-3 head-to-head record over the Hong Kong settler. He will face Kanta Tsuneyama of Japan in the second round. Samir Burma also reached the second round after his opponent, Japan's Kazumasa Sakai, retired midway with the score reading 11-8 in favor of the India. However, it was the end of the road for Saurabh Burma, who went down after winning the first game to local favorite Kim Dong-hoon 21-13, 12-21 and 13-21. India slipped to their second defeat in the 2022 FIFA World Cup qualifiers with 0-1 loss against Oman at the Sultan Qaboos Sports Complex in Muscat yesterday. The loss gave India in the 4th place in Group E with 3 points and virtually ended their chances of making it past the second round of the qualifiers. Earlier, Oman had defeated India 2-1 in the first leg in September in Guwahati. With just 3 points from 5 matches, India still remained in the 4th spot in the Group E table, headed by Asian champions Qatar, which has 13 points from 5 matches. Let's have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Northeast states with inner line permit system may be exempted from Citizenship Amendment Bill. Anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill ban brings life to grinding halt. Schools remain shut. Doors open for dialogue to settle issues, says Chief Minister. National Investigation Agency to take over government in exile case. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister urges Kokomi, Manpack for talks, give centre a chance. Congress Legislature Party delegation meets Sharad Pawar, gets assurance. Ex-Minister S. Ibohal no more. Many condole. Shutdown paralyzes normal life. Protests continue. Imphal Free Press. Manpack's 18 hours total shutdown against Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life. Chief Minister invites Kokomi, Manpack for taking collective responsibility on issues. The Morning Bell. Manpack total shutdown cripples state. Convener, 3 leaders arrested. Considerable progress in Naga peace talks. Stakeholders will be consulted, says Kishan Reddy. Sharad Pawar assures support to Congress team on Citizenship Amendment Bill. Former Minister Salam Ibohal no more. Chief Minister Biren, MP Ranjan condole. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister appeals to resolve issues through dialogue. Anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill shutdown hits life. 4 Manpack leaders, 3 women held. Assam Congress MPs protest against proposed privatization of Numaligarh refinery. Jawaharlal Nehru University has become a detention camp, says Communist Party of India leader Binoy Biswam.
Before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. Ahead of NCP Congress talks on Maharashtra government formation, Sharad Pawar to meet Prime Minister Modi today. Situation normal in Kashmir, will restore internet services at appropriate time, says Amit Shah in Rajya Sabha. And bill for removal of Congress chief as Jallianwala Memorial trustee passed in Parliament. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.